Your manual shift boot retainer gets a lot of use on the road. Over the years, you may notice the chrome has begun to flake and look damaged. When it's time, we've got a perfect reproduction for you. And then welcome back to our OPGI product featured powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1966 and 67 Chevelle and El Camino manual 4-speed console shift boot retainers. This product has been officially licensed by General Motors. The GM Restoration Parts emblem represents the most authentic and accurate parts for your restoration available in the industry. These are designed to work with 3- and 4-speed manual transmissions. Each retainer is manufactured precisely from die-cast zinc using case-hardened steel tooling. After passing quality control inspections, each retainer is finished with a beautiful triple chrome plating that'll last for many years on the road. In addition, we pre-drill all the necessary holes for proper mounting in your console base. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.